Hi, we're from Sheartak Tools, a Canadian-based company that provides woodworking and metalworking tools. In this video, we'll be explaining the use of wood-turning tools, along with the different carbide tips it has, and the variety of kits available here at Sheartak. These hand tools allow users to make difficult cuts to their workpieces by removing material rotating on a wood lathe, which creates grooves and cuts about a center axis. The wood-turning tools have a handle and a protruding blade, which also makes it easy to make spindle parts or hollowed-out works. Here at Sheartak, we offer different combinations of carbide tips in various sets to suit everyone's needs. 3 of our kits have adjustable handles. The length of it can be changed with a handle extension, which can be held under the arm for further reach and stability. The square shaft also improves safety and accuracy by allowing the user to hold the tool dead flat on the tool rest. The first set out of the 3 we have with adjustable handles is a standard set, including a rougher with a radius square tip, a detailer with a diamond tip, a finisher with a round tip, and a rougher with a square tip. The roughers are designed for flat surfaces, surfacing outside curves, and the square one can be used to cut into corners. The diamond tip can cut definition lines or accents, and the round tip can be used for inside curves. The second set is a hollowing set that includes a straight, medium angle, and steep angle swan neck, which is used for smoothing inside surfaces and undercuts for bowls and hollow vessels. The last one is a mix of both sets, with 3 blades from the standard set, the square, circle, and diamond, plus a medium angle swan neck. Sheartak also provides the same 3 sets of blades with wooden handles and a non-slip grip design. With this design, there's an additional set of 6 blades, a combination of the standard and hollowing set. All the tips included are the square, radius square, circle, diamond, and 2 swan necks. With all Sheartak kits, it comes with a wooden storage case and a hex key. The carbide inserts on the tools are rotatable, so once the cutting edge gets blunt, it can be rotated to expose a sharp edge or simply replace one blade when all the edges have dulled. Sheartak also provides replaceable carbide blades, ensuring the tool has a longer lifetime and eliminating the downtime of sharpening. Be sure to check out Sheartak's website at www.sheartak.com to find all the available kits and more, or send us an email at sales@sheartak.com for any other inquiries.